Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Google Sheets for beginners. So let's start. The first, open your browser and go to the address bar and enter here the sheets.google.com and press the enter key to open the Google Sheet. Okay. And the second way, in browser, go to the right hand side and click on the Google Apps option, and here you can see the Sheets is available. Just click on it and here the Google Sheets is open. Okay, you just scroll down and you can check your all Google Sheets are already used. And here, if you want to new spreadsheet, just click on this plus icon to start with the new spreadsheet. In new spreadsheet, you can see here the untitled spreadsheet. You can edit your spreadsheet name here. I just edit here the name. And here in sheet number 1 is automatically added. If you want to add new sheet, just click on the plus icon on the left hand side. The icon is indicate. And here the sheet number 2 is added. If you want to add again, just click on the again plus icon to add the new sheet. To rename this sheet name, simply double click on the sheet name and you can add here the new name and press the enter to add your sheet name. Second way, simply right click on the sheet name and here also rename option. Just click on the rename and you can easily add here your sheet name. Okay. Again, I right click on the sheet name and if click on the delete option. If you want to create the duplicate sheet, just click on the duplicate option. Okay. You can change the color of the sheet also and just select here the color and that's it. Okay. And here you can see the 3 line is indicate the all sheet. And just click on the 3 line and you can see the all sheet name here showing. Just click on the sheet and you quickly jump in this sheet. If you want to move this sheet left right, you can just drag and easily move anywhere. Okay. And if you want to hide any sheet, simply right click on the sheet and click on the hide sheet. Okay. To unhide the quickly, again click on this 3 line and click on your sheet name and that's it, your sheet is unhide. Okay, here in Google Sheet you can see ABC is indicate the column name. Okay, and the 1 2 3 is indicate row number. When you select any cell, is here in name box showing the C6. C is a column, 6 is a row. Okay, so when I select the multiple cell, you can see the C4 to D8. C4 is a starting cell, C4, C is a column, 4 is a row, and D is a column, and 8 is a last cell is selection. Okay. So this is the way you can select the range of cell here in Google Sheet. Okay. And here you can see I added some data. You can see upper side the file, edit, view, insert, format. These are the tab. Okay, below this tab is a toolbar. You can use this option to formatting your data quickly. Okay, to fill color, you just simply select your data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select your data. And here in toolbar, you can see the one option, fill color. Just click on it and select your color to fill in your data. So I select your color. And after that, if you want to select the particular column, simply select the one column. Again, click on the fill color and select here the color. That's it. Okay. If you want to increase the font size, simply select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. And the second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the Control A to select your entire data. After that, in toolbar, you can see the one option, the font size. Just click on the plus icon to increase the font size. To decrease, just click on the minus to decrease your font size. Okay. You can change here the font style. So just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different font style. Okay. Here you can see the font style is changed. Okay. And here the one option zoom, just click on this drop down arrow. You can zoom this 75, 90. So I select the 120, 150% zoom in. You can use the zoom in. You can use here the zoom option also. And after that, if you want to print your data, click on the print option. You can use the shortcut key Control P. I just click on the print icon and here the print preview is open. Okay, print its current sheet. You can change the paper size here also. You can check here the orientation, and after that click on the next and you can easily print your Google Sheet data. Okay, I just zoom out. I just click on here 100% zoom. If you want to share this Google Sheet, just go to the right hand side and click on this arrow and click. You can just copy this link and you can share this link to anyone and you can quickly share your Google Sheet. Okay. And the second way, click on the share option. So you can quickly add the people. I just click on it and add here the one people. You can give the access and permission to editor, viewer and commenter. So I just click on the viewer only and click on the send. Your Google Sheet will send to Kriya. Okay, that's it. Okay. Google Sheet normally save automatically in Google Drive. So if you want to use here the filter, simply click on the any cell and here in toolbar, click on the three dot and select here the create filter option. Okay, here the filter is added. I just click on the filter icon and you can select here your filters. I just clear all first and then I select the one product and then click on the OK. And here you can see your filter is applied. Okay. To remove this filter, again click on this filter icon to remove your filter. So that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.